Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a review about patterns, okay? Do you remember what is a pattern? Well, a pattern is something that repeats over and over again, okay? It's something that repeats over and over again. For example, you can make a pattern about colors, about shape, objects, letters, or even numbers, okay? So let's find patterns together, okay, with me. This is a pattern about cars. Red car, yellow car, blue car, red, yellow. What comes next? Red? No, a blue, right? Excellent. Very good. Okay, the next one will be red car, yellow, blue car. What comes next? Yellow? Is it yellow? No. Is it red? Yes, red car. Very good. Okay, the next one will be yellow, blue, red. What comes next? Yellow? Excellent, very good. Blue, red, yellow, and blue. Excellent. That is a pattern. Excellent. Very good. So, did you see that we make a pattern together, right? A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. You can make patterns about shapes, about colors, about happy faces, okay, about cars, even cars and toys. So, the pattern is very important. Los patrones son muy importantes porque nosotros podemos crear muchas formas y series y podemos hacer que vayan de una manera específica, correcta, ¿ok? Entonces eso es un patrón. Muy bien.